The enrollment system is part of MSU's schedule of courses. To enter the enrollment system, click on the Schedule Builder tab and log in using your MSU NetID and password. Next, select the semester for which you want to enroll. This will take you to your planner, where any course you add to your schedule will be displayed. If you were pre-enrolled for any courses, they will be displayed here as enrolled courses. To add a course to your planner, click on the Search for Courses link. Using the drop-down menu, select the course subject code, which is generally 3 letters, such as ISS. Then enter the course number and click on Search for Courses. The next screen will display all the sections of that particular course. Pick a section that meets at a time and place that works for you, then click the clock icon located to the left of that section. The course should then appear as a planned course in your planner. To enroll for a course listed under Planned Courses, click on the Enroll button next to each course. A message will appear stating, "Please confirm the following enrollment action. Enroll in ISS 215, Section 1. Click Continue, and then the course should appear on your planner under Enrolled Courses. If a red message appears indicating you cannot enroll for that course, try a different section. Ask a staff member for assistance if necessary. If you need to enroll for a different section or course, use the swap function. Return to the Search for Courses screen and add the replacement course to your planner. Next, click on the Swap button next to the course you wish to swap. Then select the new course from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Your schedule will automatically change. Swapping is often a better option than dropping, because courses close quickly, and if you drop a course, you may not be able to get it back. Swapping allows you to keep the course until you find one to replace it. When you enroll in the future, a useful tool in Schedule Builder is Open Seat Notification. If a course section is full, click the Alert button to request an alert for an open seat. The alert may be sent to your MSU email account or your cell phone via text messaging. Upon receiving the alert, return to your planner to enroll in the course. If you click on the link titled Textbooks and Supplemental Materials, the required materials for all the courses you are enrolled in will appear, including textbooks. We will talk more about textbooks later on in this presentation. When you've finished enrolling today, make sure you check your schedule for any time conflicts, such as 2 classes at the same time. An easy way to do this is by using the Visual Planner. Click on the link titled View Visual and Print-Friendly Schedule at the top of the screen. Note that enrolled courses have a solid outline, while planned courses are outlined with a dotted line. When you are finished with your schedule, be sure to print 2 copies of the Visual Planner for each semester. 1 copy is for you, and you will need to turn in the other copy at the Personal Schedule Verification table once you have completed all AOP sessions this afternoon. Another tool in Schedule Builder is Schedule Generator. You can access it by clicking on the tab titled Schedule Generator. When you enter Schedule Generator, you can begin adding courses by clicking on the link titled Add a Course. You should also check the Include Visual Schedules box so you can better visualize your schedule. Once you have selected all the courses, click on the Generate Possible Schedules button. Schedule Generator generates 25 possible schedules for you to choose from. After you click Generate Possible Schedules, it may take the system 1 to 2 minutes to create all of the schedules. If at any time during the enrollment process you feel unsure or have a question, our staff will be happy to assist you. It is our goal to make your enrollment process as quick and smooth as possible. Here are a few helpful hints to remember when building your schedule. Keep in mind that there are usually 20 minutes between classes. Another thing to be aware of is scheduling a lunch break. Evaluate your schedule at the end to make sure you have left yourself time to eat if necessary. Watch for unusual section numbers. Sections beginning with a 7 typically denote an online class. When in doubt, ask a staff member for assistance. Another useful resource is the campus map. It shows the location of all campus buildings. You'll want to refer to it when scheduling your classes. It will help you select classes close to your residence hall and/or other classes. Some classes are even offered right in your residence hall. An online resource that you will use often throughout your college career is StuInfo. You will need your MSU NetID and password to log in. StuInfo is an online database that allows you to access your personal student information. With StuInfo, you can view your class schedule, review your course credit and GPA history, view standardized test scores that have been submitted to the university, view your student account, billing history, and information about loans and financial aid. You can also keep track of important dates. StuInfo allows guest access, in which students may give parents or others access to their online student records. Students are cautioned not to share their own passwords with anyone, and guest access allows information to be passed to a guest without giving away the student's password. Examples of information that may be granted through guest access are viewing/paying the bill, viewing financial aid, viewing MSU charges and credits, and confirming attendance. Many of the classes you will take at MSU will use a learning management system for online course content called Desire to Learn, or D2L. Features of this system include announcements and messages from your courses, a calendar tab that allows you to view course-specific scheduled items for the day, week, month, or year, tools that provide homework submission, quizzing options, preparation tools, and much more. You can also see the syllabus, course resources, and institutional resources.